Cricket Wireless refund eligibility focuses on devices and accessories purchased directly from them, with a 14 to 30-day return window for items in original condition with all packaging. Refunds are available for devices and accessories within 14 to 30 days if they're in original condition with all packaging intact. Open SIM kits or devices with software modifications are not eligible for refunds. Service plan refunds are limited to cases of overcharges, unauthorized charges, or significant service failures. Refund processing takes 3 to 5 business days after approval, with physical returns adding 7 to 10 days for inspection. Funds are credited to the original payment method or as bill credits. To request a refund from Cricket Wireless, start by gathering your receipt, order number, and reason for the return. Next, contact Cricket through the My Cricket app, website portal, or by calling customer service. Submit your request with all necessary details and ship the item back if required. Cricket usually provides prepaid shipping labels for U.S. returns. Track your request via the app or email and escalate to a supervisor if needed. Upon approval, you'll receive a confirmation and the refund will be issued to your original payment method. Remember, refund success hinges on meeting strict timelines and conditions. As of 2025, Cricket uses an AI chatbot to handle about 40% of refund requests, streamlining the process.